fuck what you talking about, nigga, be about it. Fuck what you talking about, nigga, be about it. Fuck what you talking, fuck, be about it. Fuck what you talking, fuck, be about it. Fuck what you talking about, nigga, be about it. Fuck what you talking about, nigga, be about it. Fuck what you talking, fuck, be about it. Fuck what you talking, fuck, be about it.
Step out the lack fly, ready for the nightlife. At the liquor store, cuz, buying here to make it right. Suckers in front of the stove, acting like they wanna fight. Should've popped the trunk blood and let the 4-5 ignite. Stay ready for drama though, I keep one off in the pipe. Hit him twice up in the chest and watch a trick take flight. A weaker chest box fool, my hands is titanium. Make them think I'm Ali the way that I be swinging them. Always got a good blade, I put that old shank in them. I never run up too fat, plus I ain't afraid of them. Me, I just rather chill, but y'all keep my pressure high. I'm trying to repent my sins and y'all suckers wanna die. They sip that current juice, now them tricks wanna try. I'm a certified head buster, nigga, I ain't gon' lie. Quick draw McGraw, I leave your brains up in the sky and have your mama on her knees asking God why you died.
Fuck what you talking about, nigga, be about it. Fuck what you talking about, nigga, be about it. Fuck what you talking, fuck, be about it. Fuck what you talking, fuck, be about it. Fuck what you talking about, nigga, be about it. Fuck what you talking about, nigga, be about it. Fuck what you talking, fuck, be about it. Fuck what you talking, fuck, be about it.
You say you don't like me, oh, that's your confession. Well, I know I don't like you, and I ain't even stressing. I'll be your huckleberry, got the gravy for your dressing. Throw away Smith and Wesson, teach your ass a lesson. Who you think you testing? You ain't that freshman. I'll run up in your mama house where your ass be resting. I catch you slipping without your gat in your vest, man. 1 to your head and 2 to your chest, man. And let gravity do the rest, man. You're fucking with the best. To tell the truth, you're just the best. And your life a mess. Now we can handle this like gentlemen, or we can get into some gangster shit. I keep my team hella thick, roll with bloods, I roll with grips, never know where it's coming from. When your ass get hit, better squash it now before your wig gets split. Blood everywhere, they can't stand that shit.
Fuck what you talking about, nigga, be Shit.